Hello everyone, this is the Familiar Davener number 7. And I once again want to bring up the question I brought up yesterday and give a different answer today. The question is very simple. In an ideal world, 10 people come to daven together. They get to the silent Amidah, they all start together. Then they can only start the repetition when you have one Chazzan plus 9 people answering Amen to the 19 or 7 or 9 brachot of the Chazzan. That being the case, how come I said that if you have not 9 people answering Amen, but say you have 6 people answering Amen, and 4 people that came in late are going ahead and davening word for word, letter for letter with the Chazzan, and that's okay. It's considered a minyan. And I gave one answer yesterday, and I'd like to give a different answer today. And my answer today is a very simple one. The halacha, I believe, is clear. Since the Shulchan Aruch says that the ideal way to do what's called a heicha kedusha, a short davening, and mincha usually, is to have everyone start with the Chazzan word for word, letter for letter, till ha'el hakadosh. From this perspective, obviously he thinks that it's considered a minyan, even though no one in that situation is answering Amen. They're all saying word for word with the Chazzan, and nobody is answering Amen. And the explanation, I believe, is very clear. It's not a contradiction in the Shulchan Aruch. When you have 9 people being bystanders, saying this is the public Amidah, the Chazzan is our representative, and ultimately we're behind him, and we're going to show that by answering Amen, then it's one level. But it's a much higher level to actually not only agree with him, but to daven with him, to not only hear the person sing, but sing along with him. And if that's the case, obviously it's much stronger of a minyan, not less of a minyan. If 9 people are just answering Amen, that's a very good level. But it's much a higher level if 9 people are davening with the Chazzan. From this perspective, I believe that if indeed you have a Chazzan plus 9 people or 8 people or 7 or whatever it might be, saying word for word with him, that is considered a minyan. I will add a monkey wrench to this that should be known. The Khatam Sofer actually has an innovative point of view that a real minyan is what I just described. Not you daven first and then you listen to the Chazzan, but everyone davens with the Chazzan. That's the highest form, he says, of davening in a minyan. Not everyone agrees with him. It's a very innovative point of view. But just to add in that monkey wrench, I want to once again say, if you have people davening along with the Chazzan, they are counted towards the 9 that you need beyond the Chazzan to start the Chazzan's repetition, or what I like to call the public Amidah.